In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Chromebook to Canon printer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and use your Canon printer in conjunction with any Chromebook. To do this, primarily, you will have to use Wi-Fi. You can potentially connect it over a cable, but for this video, I'm going to be covering how to do it wirelessly. To make sure that your Canon printer gets detected by the network on your Chromebook, it's important that it is enabled. So you can use the Canon app, look for the Canon Printer mobile app, and follow the instructions here. Usually it is simple to get it to work. There might be a button labeled Ethernet or that has the Wi-Fi symbol, and then you just follow the instructions to have it connected to the mobile app. Once the Canon printer has been connected and it can be discovered by the network, you can go into the settings of your Chromebook and look under the advanced category. So scroll all the way down on the settings and expand the advanced tab. Now you will find print and scan. In here, choose printers and you can see a list of all nearby printers. The Canon printer should be available here as long as it is in the same network as your Chromebook. If it is not appearing, you can tap on the option to manually add a new camera, but this can be quite a tricky process, so I wouldn't recommend this if you don't know all of the information needed to connect it manually. If it is still not working, go back into the app and make sure that the Canon printer can be detected by the network. Restart the app, restart the printer and the Chromebook, and as long as you see it listed here under the Add Printer option, you will be good to go. After it is linked, you can go back into the print and scan options and then choose print jobs or scan jobs directly from your Chromebook. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.